Audi Q6L e-tron. At the Beijing Auto Show 2024, the brand with the 4 rings is presenting a tailored variant for the Chinese market. Powerful, compact, and highly efficient electric motors, and a newly developed lithium-ion battery consisting of 12 modules and 192 prismatic cells with a total gross capacity of 107 kWh, plus 7 kWh compared to the variant that will be available upon launch in the Q6 e-tron Quattro and the SQ6 e-tron ensure a range of more than 700 km. 800-volt technology and the maximum DC charging capacity of 270 kilowatts is standard. Short charging stops are possible with the Audi Q6L e-tron. Up to 260 kilometers of range can be recharged in just 10 minutes, 10 to 80% within 25 minutes. The Q6L e-tron will be offered as a rear-wheel drive version with a system power output of 255 kilowatts and a Quattro all-wheel drive with 345 kilowatts. The rear-wheel drive version offers significant efficiency and range, and the Quattro version provides excellent traction and driving dynamics. With a vehicle length of 4,884 mm, a width of 1965 mm, and a height of 1687 mm, the SUV offers maximum space, comfort, and suitability for everyday use. The wheelbase of 2,995 mm allows business-class legroom in the rear seat. With 8 digital light signatures in the redesigned daytime running lights of the Matrix LED headlights and the optional second-generation digital OLED rear lights. With the second generation of digital OLED rear lights, the Audi Q6L e-tron takes lighting design, functionality, and, therefore, road safety to a new level.